Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to upload video at the highest quality on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started.
Open your Instagram account. Okay, so once you open your Instagram account, on the bottom right hand side here you can see your profile picture. So click on that particular option. So once you click on that particular option, on the top right hand side here you can see the three dotted lines. So click on that particular option. So just scroll down. Once you just scroll down, here you can see the option called data usage and the media quality below the language option. So select that particular option, data usage and the media quality. So here you can see so many options like data saver, high resolution media upload quality, upload at the highest quality. Okay, so on the last option, so here you can see upload at the highest quality. Just try to drag it towards right side and try to select that particular option. So that means like you will always upload at the highest qualities of the photos and the videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we will automatically adjust upload quality to fit the network conditions. Okay, so once you select that particular option, whatever the photos, media, videos, or the photos, whatever the photos or the videos you upload, that will be uploaded at the highest quality. Okay, so this is how you can upload the media or the photos or the videos at the highest quality. Okay, thank you.
That's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.